Okay, we are having in college database this student collection. That student collection is having these 6 records. Now what we want to do, we want to set a value uh, when we update. Update will set the value. Okay, so when I say roll number 17 and dollar set percentage, it will set the percentage. Okay, and if I say dollar unset, it will remove the set value. If you see that for the roll number 70, one document has been matched and one document has been modified. So if you see that for the roll number 17, we have removed the percentage key value pair. Okay, I will show the particular record only. Okay, I'll show you the particular record 70. Okay, now for the record 70, if you see that we have removed the percentage. If we want to set the percentage, so we have to use this syntax dollar set percent key value pair. It will set. Now I will again show you. Okay, now if you see that when we set the value, it will update the percentage 55. Again, if I want to remove that, so to remove that I have to say unset. So unset will remove that, and if I find the record, we will see that the percentage has been removed. Now I want to apply the increment to all the records. So how can I apply the increment to all the records? So I have to say db.student.update. I want to update all the documents. Okay, so for all the document I want to increment the value. So to increment the percentage, I will use a $inc modifier that will increment, and I want to increment the percent by 5. So by 5 it should increment the percent. So okay, at a time it is incrementing only one document. So I'll with the find I will show you which document has been incremented. Now what we can do, we can specify here the key value pair that we want to increment. Okay, suppose I want to increment roll underscore number, and I have to specify here which roll number I want to increment. So I want to increment 128. So for the 128 percentage is 45. So I want to see what values have been updated. So for that I will do use db.student.find. Okay, so it has, okay, I had made the mistake in the spelling of the percent, so that's why it is not doing it correctly. Okay, okay, there is one mistake. So what I will do, I'll update the percent. Okay, now I will show you. Now if you see, the percentage were 45 and now it is updated to the 50, and previously I had made the mistake in the key percent, so it has added the separate key. Okay, percent, this missed percent. Okay, so like that we can do the increment. Let's try for the decrement. It is showing me okay. Okay, decrement, for the decrement I have to check which is the modifier. So there is no DEC operator in MongoDB. So what we can do, we can do the negative increment. Okay, so if I do increment percent by -5. Okay, let's see how it is working, how it is giving the result. Okay, very good. So if we are incrementing by the minus, it will decrement the value. So instead of the decrementing the 5, I have incremented the -5. So it will automatically subtract the 5 from the percent. Okay, and it will give you the 45. So like that we can increment and decrement in MongoDB.